I'd like for you to get comfortable. Sit in a chair or on the floor and close your eyes. Pay attention to your breath. Take a deep, slow breath. Inhale fresh energy. Exhale any worry or stress. Now pay attention to your body. Your body should be relaxed. Notice any areas of tension and let the tension go with each exhale. Now pay attention to your mind. Relax and calm your mind. Whatever you were just thinking about, let it go. Anything that you're worried about, just let it drift away like a cloud. Let your mind be calm and relax. I want you now to focus on a special place, a place of comfort and ease. This is your special place. Bring your attention to your special place. Where are you? Notice the details of your special place. You feel very calm and comfortable. You feel completely at ease here. Nothing can hurt you here. Nothing can disturb you here. It is a very special place indeed. Take a moment now to center yourself here in this special place and find a comfortable place to rest or sit down. From this place of safety and ease, we will now gently address and release specific patterns from the soul's journey. This healing is an act of love, an act of reclamation, an act of divine alignment. This is not about blame or shame. This is about freedom. You are simply remembering. Now, with great reverence, we acknowledge that across the soul's journey, many of us have experienced both sides of the slavery dynamic. We've known the chains of oppression, and we've been the ones who held the power. It is time to release these distortions from your field, your lineage, your karma, and your soul memory. Now gently bring your left middle finger to your heart. This is your left Saturn portal, the gateway of karmic neutralization, the gateway to karmic freedom. Feel the resonance of this sacred gesture. And now, speak or silently repeat this invocation. Left Saturn portal open, so that I may claim my birthright of karmic neutralization. I now recognize and acknowledge my authority distortion roles as a slave owner from multiple Earth incarnations. I now bless and release any and all of these authority distortions in all dimensions and all timelines now. I now harmonize my relationships and my judgments around these roles. Back to love, back to light, and back to divine oneness now. I recognize and acknowledge my roles as part of a learning process for me and those I enslaved. I now choose a healthy and aligned pattern of conduct to be expressed through me and others. Thank you, and so it is. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and feel the unraveling. Feel the old contracts dissolving. Feel the judgment clearing. Feel your soul being liberated. You are not bound by the roles of the past. You are free to write a new story now. One of divine equality. One of compassion. One of unity consciousness. As this karmic imprint dissolves, notice what begins to shift in your body. Perhaps lightness in the heart, a warmth in your palms, a quiet knowing that something sacred has returned to you. This is your sovereignty, your truth, your divine essence. Let yourself rest here for a few moments in stillness within your special place, integrating this release and embracing this freedom. Feeling lighter and freer within your special place. Allow this sense of release and newfound clarity to settle. Now, still centered here, say to yourself these words of power. I am infinite creation. I hold infinite creation. I expand infinite creation. Now envision the moon. Envision a big, bright, full moon in front of you. Place the moon inside your third eye. Feel it. Settle there in your third eye, the full moon. Now envision the sun burning bright yellow. Your sun, the Earth's sun. Place the sun energy inside your heart and feel its warmth exuding outward. Now envision the earth, your beautiful homeland while you are inhabiting a body. Place the earth in the pineal gland inside the center part of your brain. Feel the energy of the earth supporting you. Now envision your birth star. Place this bright star above your head. Let it shine its light rays down on you and support you. Now take these words and connect them with your own heart. Feel the lightness and the love, renewed by the release you have experienced. Settle into your heart and reverberate back to and through the cosmic heart consciousness. Let yourself feel the complete and total love of the universe supporting you as you know. These words are fully activated within your portal of multidimensionality. Allow yourself to feel and know that you are a divine being, worthy of this love, embraced by this love, and cherished beyond words, beyond imagining. Let this love permeate every cell in your body, every particle of light that surrounds your body, your light body, your auric and etheric fields. Allow yourself to surrender to this light and love and feel your words of power, activating and anchoring into your reality, now cleared and strengthened. Now, bring your awareness back to your body, back to the room you are in. You now feel completely refreshed, renewed, and lighter. You feel your vibration is ascended. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes again.